In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel to Google Sheets tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your GoHighLevel account connected to Google, so you can access features like Google Sheets directly inside your workflows. This connection makes it easy to log leads, track form submissions, or back up contact data to a spreadsheet without manual copying. Start inside your GoHighLevel account on the location you want to connect. Look for the Settings area, typically represented by a gear icon near the bottom left of your screen. Click Settings to open the page that controls account and location level configurations. This is where integrations live, so it's the best place to confirm everything is set up the right way. Next, inside Settings, click on Integrations. You'll see a list of services you can connect to your GoHighLevel location. If you manage multiple locations, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding, because integrations are tied to the current location. Also, note that you may need admin or owner permissions to complete this process. If you don't see integrations, check with your account administrator. Now, find the Google integration card and click Connect. A Google sign-in window will appear. If it doesn't, disable any pop-up blockers temporarily and try again. Choose the Google account you want to use for Sheets. If you're using a Google Workspace account, ensure your organization allows third-party app connections. When the permissions screen appears, review the access being requested. These permissions enable GoHighLevel to create, read, and update spreadsheets on your behalf, which is what powers automation steps that send data to Google Sheets. Click Allow to confirm. Once the authorization completes, you should see a confirmation or a connected status next to Google in the integrations list. That's your signal that the link is active. From here, features that rely on Google Sheets will become available in your GoHighLevel account. For example, when building or editing automations, you'll be able to select actions that write data to a Google Sheet you own or have access to. If you ever need to switch accounts, return to this same integrations page to disconnect and reconnect with a different Google profile. If you run into errors, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser, confirm that you have permission to authorize apps, and try reloading the page. Clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window can also help with stubborn sign-in loops. That's it. We clicked Settings, opened Integrations, and connected Google, unlocking Google Sheets features inside GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching,